Good day, ma'am. My name is Anthony Villarin, and I'm going to discuss the instructional materials using open-ended tools. And the tools that I choose is a Microsoft PowerPoint. So I chose these tools because this is a very common and most helpful tool when it comes to learning. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software that allows users to create and present information using slides. I know that all of you already know what is a Microsoft PowerPoint, so I just want to uh, recap or a summary of this topic. So it is commonly used in schools, businesses, and other learning environments. As an open-ended tool, PowerPoint gives learners the freedom to organize information, choose design, add multimedia, and present their ideas in a different ways. So this tool is one of the most helpful in the students, teachers, turns into a complex ideas into a clear by creating a visual slides. Okay, next, how can it be used in learning? Okay, teachers can use PowerPoint to present lessons, explain concepts, and provide visual example. So, ingon ana siya ka helpful. And also, students can use it to create reports, just like what I did today. I'm creating a report through PowerPoint. And research presentation and visual learning materials. Since the students can decide how to organize and present their information, PowerPoint encourages creativity and independent thinking. And also, they can also choose different layouts, themes, fonts, and designs to make their presentation more engaging to capture the attention of the audience. Advantages of using PowerPoint: encourages creativity and self-expression. Of course, helps students to organize information. So that is the advantages. Support visual and multimedia learning. Develops presentation and communication skills with the help of PowerPoint. And also allows students to work individually and collaboratively. So that is the advantages when you are using a PowerPoint. And that would be all my part.